Number 5. Oster 1200 Blender. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 has 7 speeds with 3 settings for salsa, smoothies, and milkshakes. It has an extra wide blade with forward and reverse motion and offers 1200 power watts and 900 watts for crushing ice. The glass jar ensures no stains and is dishwasher safe. It also comes with a 24-ounce plastic to-go cup when you want a smoothie on the road. A few users have complained about the jar leaking at the base. However, if you dismantle the blender jar to clean it thoroughly, it has to be put back together precisely or it will leak, making the process awkward at best. Additionally, the base is plastic and replacement parts are non-existent, making this a point of contention with certain users. However, unlike most cheap blenders, this one has an all-metal connection between the base and the jar. Number 4. NutriBullet Mini. If you're looking for a personal blender, the NutriBullet Mini is one of the best cheap blenders that we've tested. It comes with one 13-ounce and one 8-ounce jar, as well as a lid and a lip ring so you can drink your blend directly from the jar or take it with you on the go. It's also very compact, which makes it easy to store when not in use. If you like to make smoothies, it can make a good textured blend in less than 2 minutes. Although it's a bit foamy, it can fully process fibrous ingredients like kale, resulting in a grainless blend. It's easy to clean up after making a smoothie as a water rinse gets rid of most debris. You can also put the jars in the dishwasher for a more convenient clean. Even though it has only one speed, its design is very easy to use. Number 3. Cuisinart CPB 300. The small 4-pound model has a fairly attractive streamlined design and a straightforward 3-button interface. The motor has less power at only 350 watts, but the blender offers standby and auto-stop features and comes with 2 interchangeable blade assemblies. The package includes a 32-ounce blending jar, an 8-ounce chopping cup, and 2 16-ounce travel cups, all made of dishwasher-safe BPA-free plastic. In testing, we found that the motor isn't powerful enough to smoothly blend ice or hard frozen fruit. Though the plastic components hold up in the dishwasher, they do turn cloudy, which is less attractive. The small capacity may be an issue if you need to blend larger quantities. Cuisinart backs up this machine with a good 3-year warranty. Number 2. Oster BLS TPB WBL. If you want a light, travel-friendly blender, then this Oster BLS TPB WBL is a great option because it includes a travel sports bottle. The entire mixer is made of 2 parts, the bottom and the blade. You'll definitely like this blender just by looking at it. The Oster BLS TPB WBL is perfect for your busy lifestyle. The bottom of the entire unit is light and smart in size to carry in the bag. However, the blender comes with 250 watts motor that can reach more than 400 watts if needed. It's good for blending a smoothie, making puree, and juice. The blender is exceptionally good at crushing ice, fruit seeds, nuts, etc. So all the smoothies it creates were amazing. You can make baby food in it as well. But remember, it can't handle hot stuff. The warm stuff is just fine. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 58148A Power Elite. Hamilton is always recognized for high-quality, affordable blenders. That's why we've selected the Hamilton Beach 58148A Power Elite multifunction blender that offers excellent versatility at a reasonable price. The blender has 700 watts of motor power with a 40-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar. It uses the wave action system that pulls the mixture down into the blades so all the ingredients blend well. One of its best features is the use of pre-programmed buttons. The mixer has an option for making milkshakes, ice cream, chopping, grinding, blending, and many more. The milkshake button works well for self-cleaning as well. Now that we've shown you the best budget blenders for smoothies out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Machine size. You first need to identify how much room you have to store a blender. If you live in a compact home with little counter space, you may want to consider a small blender to stow away in a cupboard when not in use. If you have more room to dedicate to a blender on the counter, that can be handy, as the right blender can be used for many things while cooking. Container size. A personal blender is designed for a single serving and portability for a grab-and-go smoothie or shake. The individual blender cups are typically plastic with no glass option. There's something to keep in mind if you drink a protein shake on the way to the gym or the office. If you forget it's in your car, the smell will remind you the following week. Power. If you need a blender that effortlessly pulverizes ice, choose wisely, as not all blenders are created equal. The higher wattage blenders will work better with frozen fruit and ice. Lower wattage blenders need more liquid and work best without frozen items.